In this video, we'll guide you through the creation and deployment of an authentication profile for Identity Guardian using VMware Workspace ONE UEM, also known as AirWatch. This demonstration applies to a shared device. For shared devices, two configuration profiles are required, one for enrollment and one for authentication. This demonstration focuses on authentication. We'll guide you through the process step by step, starting with a shared device that's already set up with Workspace ONE. Additionally, we have uploaded Identity Guardian as a native app. First, we'll create the authentication profile. From the Resources menu, navigate to the uploaded Identity Guardian APK. Click on the APK and click Assign. Enter a profile name. Select the group the device is enrolled in. If desired, edit the time for the deployment and select Auto for the app delivery method. Click on Application Configuration. Enable Managed Access and Send Configuration. Configure the usage mode. For Application Mode, select Authentication. Return to Application Configuration to save these settings. For Authentication Configuration, select the desired settings to meet your requirements. In this demonstration, the configuration is targeted for SSO authentication. Therefore, for Verification Setup 1, none is selected for the comparison source and SSO is selected for the primary authentication factor. In this case, none is selected for secondary authentication factor and admin bypass passcode is selected for the fallback authentication method. Select the desired settings for the other options. In this example, for lock screen event options, select Verification Setup 1 for on unlock and on reboot. Next, set the admin bypass passcode. Enter a name for the group and specify the passcode. Go back to Application Configuration to save the changes. Configure SSO authentication. Enter the appropriate information based on your SSO setup, including provider, authentication protocol, scope, configuration settings, and user ID identifier. Refer to the Identity Guardian documentation in TechDocs for more information. Click Create. Click Save, then click Publish. On the device, the Identity Guardian app gets installed with the authentication settings. Launch the app, either manually or through the YEMM. In this demonstration using the YEMM, we are activating a product that launches Identity Guardian. This product was created from the previous VMware Workspace ONE video, which covered installation and launch of Identity Guardian. After activation, Identity Guardian is launched on the device with the authentication settings configured. Tap Unlock. Since SSO is set as the primary authentication, the user is prompted to enter their SSO credentials. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.